Alright, YouTubers, I'm going to show you how to make fire starters. Take some candles and we'll move on. Alright, so you take a candle, plastic bags, put it in the plastic bag. You're going to take a hammer. I'm going to do two just to be safe. Alright, next. We got water in there, we got a can. We're going to add candle bits to it. Now you can do it right in that pan if you want to. I just don't want to ruin, even though it's a bad pan. So we'll let that melt. So what you do next, egg cartons, the paper kind. Then you fill them with sawdust. Alright, there it's mixed. Next step. Alright, we're going to do more.
Each time you want to make a fire, just break off one or two of these. These are fire starters I've been making since my Boy Scout days, and they're great.
Have a great and wonderful day.